I don't know why I thought wearing lashes to my back tattoo appointment would be smart.
They stayed on, but okay, we're gonna revive these. We're gonna revive. And we're back 2 months later. I've gone too long without the style. Time to fix them. You're gonna need your 3 handy dandy tools, your eyelash curler, tweezers, and a wet spoolie. Okay, so I start with wetting the spoolie with warm water and gentle soap, and I keep brushing them out until all the lashes are pointing in the direction that I want them to go. So this is the desired result, straight up, nice and curled. Then I blow dry with cool air because I gotta get time to sit and let them dry. Apply those bad boys on. If you've never seen me or my magnetic lashes tutorials pinned on top of my profile, brush them out until I get the desired result. This here is the most important part. Get you an eyelash curler because your eyelash curler is going to bring those lashes back to life. There they are, looking better than when I first bought them. And yeah, your lashes can be saved.